Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by turning off your vacuum cleaner and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Once it's unplugged, place the vacuum on a clean, flat surface. First, remove the battery pack by pressing the release button located on the back of the unit. This is crucial as it prevents any accidental activation. Set the battery aside safely. Next, using the Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. If you need assistance with your vacuum or tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the screws, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any connectors inside. Once the panel is off, you'll see the wiring and the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect for any debris or dust buildup. Cleaning the internal components can greatly improve the vacuum's performance. Now it's time to disconnect the old trigger. There are usually 2 wires attached to the trigger mechanism. Carefully detach these wires using the tweezers for better grip. Note down the positions of the wires for easy reconnection later. If you find the task cumbersome, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. With the old trigger removed, take the new trigger and attach the wires back in the same position you noted earlier. Ensure they are snugly connected to avoid any issues. Once the new trigger is in place, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Align the back panel correctly and press it back into position. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely with the Torx screwdriver. Before you put the battery pack back, inspect the entire unit once more to ensure everything is connected correctly, and there's no leftover debris. If you're unsure or prefer a professional touch, we offer quotes before repair to help you make the best decision. Finally, reattach the battery pack by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new trigger. If everything works well, you've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties or don't have the tools, we're here to help with no calls, no travel needed. Just reach out to us for seamless service. Thank you for following along with this repair guide. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.